Good morning, audiophiles, audio enthusiasts, and music lovers everywhere. I'm Sam from Dekoni Audio, co-founder here at CanJam SoCal 2022. So, wanted to give you guys a quick tour of what you're going to be seeing this year at CanJam SoCal here. It's going to be one of the biggest CanJams of all time with the most vendors they've ever had at this show, and I'm really excited to jump in. Phil's going to walk you down the lane and see what's going on today. Hey guys, and that's a wrap for CanJam SoCal 2022. I'm Sam from Dekoni Audio, co-founder, and I had a blast this weekend. If you didn't get to see all of the amazing gear that was launched this week, you missed out on a really good time, but make sure you check out all the content creators and everything that was released. Hashtag CanJam really was an amazing show. The most people I've ever seen on a show floor. And I'm looking forward to the next one, so check us out at CanJam New York City in early 2023, February. Look forward to seeing you there. Take care, guys.